just as simple as a change in your heart.
Oh, hey. We are in where?
Mountain top.
We are above sea level, my friend.
Yeah. Happy mountain trip. Marapera.
Marapera. We have to climb up this cliff.
Please let me lift up my pants. It's down here, like. Live for the moment, not by the past.
Almost there. What? We are already up.
All my strength.
Oh. Wild apple. How is it, my friend? Currently, we are sitting here in the pine forest. This cliff is filled with pine, and you can hear the nature sound, the background. And we are here looking at the sunset and sitting under the pine tree. And here is me, and there my friend Aspi, and we are having the time of our life, you know. Look at the view, it's so beautiful. And there is my brother as well. And this is the view. The sun is about to set.
The set down.
And we are still here.
About to set down. And
We are
we
still-
are also about to go up.
We are still here looking at this beautiful sunset, reminiscing the goodness of God and His amazing creation, you know, in this beautiful place. And now we are heading back to our camp. Let's go!
Bye-bye.
Hello everyone, welcome back. We are in the middle of the night right now. Mountain top. Look at the city light down there. Very far from home. In the middle of the jungle. This is the fireplace and we are here. And this is the fireplace to keep our feet warm, but my socks is also torn. So, we'll catch you up tomorrow morning. See you soon.
Good night.
See you soon. Good night.
Good night.
My friend is the last man standing.
Yeah. I'm eating with beer. Never get up eating.
Enjoy, my friend, enjoy.